2 years ago, we semi-buried this 20-foot Conex in a hillside. Now this Conex serves as a storm shelter, root cellar. Inside this section is our storm shelter. This side is our root cellar. We need to be able to keep climate control in the root cellar part of our Conex. Because it's only partially in the hillside, it still takes on heat on this wall. So we are going to be installing a mini split system in here. And we're going to start off out here. We have already leveled up the ground and put pavers down. And this is where the condenser will sit. And the inside on the wall above this is where we will be mounting the head to the mini split. And that is going to go right up here in this section. So today we are going to get started. We're going to get the condenser set up on the pad and marking out our spot up here on the wall. Make sure we have the right amount of clearance to get started on installing this mini split. This is a RellyTech 18,000 BTU mini split system. And then it's going to be able to keep climate control in here for the root cellar, and for in the event we have to be out here for a storm. Okay, we have the condenser all set up and ready to go, and we're going to go inside and I'm going to show you where it's going to mount up there. Our template is on the wall. I'm going to mount the bracket. Okay, so we've got the head mounted and all of the wiring is going out to the outside to the condenser unit out here. And now it's just a matter of hooking all these to the condenser. So since we got the head mounted on the wall, all the line set and drain lines are running out to the condenser, and we have the power cord connected. The line sets all connected. We cut these down to the length that we needed. They are connected, and we have all the lines set, the power and the drain line all encased in the tape that it comes with the unit to tape it up. And we have ordered a cap to go over this so it keeps it from any moisture or sun or anything from pulling that tape off. So we're gonna get that done next, and then we'll be hooking power up to this thing and doing a test on it. Now, what is this wire that you're hooking up?
This is the main.
The main power. And that's your ground?
It is. Yep.
Okay, we've got our main hooked up. So we've got our main wire coming out to the power source, and then our black wire is the power source that goes into the storm shelter, into the head, to the unit.
Pull the vacuum, which I'm getting ready to do. So here's the setup. We have the vacuum pump hooked up to our gauges. We're just going to lay them up here. We have the low side all the way open, and now we're going to pull vacuum. So to recap, what I come out here and done is I got the vacuum pump on. I pulled vacuum for an hour. What you're looking for is 30 pounds. We're still on 30 pounds. It has not moved, so we're sealed down here. That means I can cut this Freon loose from the compressor that comes pre-charged. Look at that gauge climb. So that is the Freon. That comes pre-charged with this condenser. And I'm just going to leave my gauge on it for right now while we kick on the electrical part of it. These are shut off good. So if you're looking at 34, I see 140, 134, or 12. This has got, I think, R34. I don't see that on my gauge, but still, we are in that 90-degree range that I would expect on R134. So we're good. We're going to kick electricity on.
Levers are opening and shutting.
They are. We got power.
And
So
here we go.
and I would say set, look, 73. She kicked on.
We have air.
She's running. That's perfect. You couldn't ask for better.
You guys, we've been needing air circulating in our root cellar storm shelter for a couple years now. And when RellyTech reached out to us to do a review on this mini split, it was absolutely perfect timing for us to do this. Now this is a DIY mini split install. RellyTech, thank you for reaching out to us to do a review on this mini split, 18,000 BTU mini split, installed by the two of us on our homestead.
You can
And
feel it.
It is cool. It is
You
awesome.
can feel it.
We did it. It works.
It works.
We did it. Thank you guys for watching. Now, if you're in the need of a mini split for your house, your garage, your shop, for your storm shelter root cellar, whatever the case may be, if you're looking for a mini split, go check out RellyTech. There'll be a link in the description of this video where you can get a discount if you use our code, and they have different sizes. You don't have to go with an 18,000. You can check out their store through our link and get the size that you need. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.